Hello everyone, good morning, namaste. Today I've come up with some important information about science teaching learning materials for SE student and for supplementary exam students. In the last lesson we have discussed with short questions, very short questions, multiple choice questions and so on, and today we will discuss about long questions is carrying 4 marks. It is section D in SE questions. So without any delay, let us start today's lesson. First question: what are the silent features of phylum Porifera? Porifera has following silent features. They have numerous pores on the body. They are called ostia. They are multicellular organisms. They are found in water. They respire through body surface. They feed food material as well as excrete through osculum. Osculum is the largest pore in their body. Example: sponge, icon, spongella, etc. Characteristic feature of Coelenterata. The major characteristics of Coelenterata are they have cylindrical body, round and elongated body, aquatic animal found in water. Their body is diploblastic, it means they have two germ layers during embryo stage. Tentacles help for locomotion. For locomotion or movement of body, they have tentacles, finger-like projection. Respiration takes place through body surface. They respire through body surface. Example: hydra, coral, jellyfish, obelia, etc. Question number 3. Write down 4 characteristic features of platyhelminthes. The major characteristics of platyhelminthes are they have flat body, so they are also called round platforms. They are hermaphrodite animal, meaning is they are bisexual. Both male and female sex organs are present on the same body. Body is bilaterally symmetrical, meaning is their body can be cut through the axis and divided into 2 equal lateral parts or halves. Hooks or sucker are present in their body. Generally they are endoparasite, it means found inside the body of host. They are triploblastic. Triploblastic means body divided. Body has 3 germ layers during embryo stage. Example: tapeworm, planaria, blood fruit, etc. Write down 4 characteristics of phylum Nemathelminthes. The Nemathelminthes has following characteristics. They are also called roundworm. They are endoparasite like platyhelminthes. Their body is bilaterally symmetrical, body divided into 2 equal halves according through the axis. Triploblastic, 3 germ layer in their embryonic stage. Sexes are separate, male and female are separate. Example: Ascaris, Wucom, Pinum, etc. Write down 4 characteristics of phylum Annelida. Annelida has following characteristics. They have cylindrical and metamerically segmented body. Metamerically segmented means body is divided externally as well as internally. They are hermaphrodite animal, means male and female organs are found in same body, generally found in moist soil. Body is bilaterally symmetrical and triploblastic. They respire through skin as well as they have developed alimentary canal. Orthome, leech, nourish, etc. Phylum Arthropoda. They have jointed leg. They are cosmopolitan in distribution. Cosmopolitan in distribution means they are found in air, water, land, everywhere. Body is divided into 3 parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Head, thorax means chest region, abdomen. Sexes are separate and they have internal fertilization. Internal fertilization meaning is fusion of male and female gamete takes place inside the female body. They have compound eyes. Example: spider, ant, crab, etc. Write down 4 characteristic features of phylum Mollusca. The major characteristics of mollusca are they have soft body within hard shell. They have muscular feet for locomotion. They have Asymmetrical body. Body is asymmetrical means we cannot cut their body into two equal halves. They are unisexual. Sexes are separate. Slug, snail, uni, octopus are example of mollusca. Four characteristics of echinodermata. Echinodermata animals have spiny body and that body covered with calcium carbonate. They are exclusively marine. Their body may be like starlight, elongated, globular or flower-like. Locomotion takes place with the help of 2 feet. 2 feet. 2 feet helps locomotion for them. Sexes are separate usually. Body is radially symmetrical. Radially symmetrical means they are round bodies, cylindrically round, and they can be cut into two equal halves cutting through their radius or through any axis. Example: starfish, sea urchin, sea cucumber, etc. Phylum Chordata. Silent feature of phylum Chordata are they have notochord, they have nerve cord, they have pharyngeal gill slits, they have closed type of circulatory system. Closed type of circulatory system meaning is blood flows inside blood vessels. And similarly vertebrate, subphylum vertebrata under the phylum Chordata also have the same features like Chordata. Notochord, nerve cord, pharyngeal gill slits, and closed type of circulatory system are present. General features of class Pisces. Under the subphylum Vertebrata, there are 5 classes: Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Apes, and Mammalia. Now let's discuss the general characteristics of class Pisces. Body is long, streamlined means board shape, pointed, and body is divided into head, trunk, and tail. Trunk is body part. They have two-chamber heart. There are 2 rooms or chambers in their heart. Body is covered with waterproof scales. They respire through gills. Locomotion often performs by fins and tail. Example: fish, seals, etc. Features of class Amphibia. Skin is smooth, moist, thin, and respiratory in nature. Body is divided into head and trunk. Respiration takes place through skin when they are in water, lungs when they are on land, and gills when they are in tadpole stage. They have 3-chamber heart. Example: frog, toad, salamander, etc. Write down the 3 general features of reptilia. Reptilia has following features. Their body is divided into head, neck, trunk, and tail. Body is covered with dry cornified scales. There are true land vertebrates. First true land vertebrates is reptilia. Skin is dry and contains very few glands. Example: snake, tortoise, lizard, crocodile, chameleon, etc. All of them have 3-chamber heart except crocodile. Crocodile have 4-chamber heart. General features of apes. Apes has following distinguishing features. They have wings to fly. Their body is covered with feathers. They have 4-chamber heart, 2 auricles, 2 ventricles. Their body can be divided into head, neck, trunk, and tail. They lay eggs, so they are oviparous, and fertilization is internal. Fusion of male and female gamete takes place inside the female body, so fertilization is internal. They respire through lungs. Body contain hollow bones or pneumatic bones and air sacs. With the help of hollow bones and air sacs contained in them, body weight is less, and so they can easily fly. Example: dove, crow, sparrow, hen, kiwi, ostrich, etc. Now the silent features of class Mammalia. Following are the main distinguishing features of class Mammalia. They give directly birth to their young ones and suckle them. They have mammary glands. Mammary glands means milk producing glands. They are baby parrots and fertilization is internal. Body is covered with hair or fur. They have four-chamber heart. Respiration takes place through lungs. They have a pair of external ear, that is pinna. Example: human, bat, whale, dog, cat, elephant, mouse, horse, etc. Silent feature of plant kingdom. They are eukaryotic. Eukaryotic means developed cell with true nucleus. They are autotrophs due to presence of chlorophyll. Autotroph means they can synthesize their food by themselves with the help of inorganic materials, carbon dioxide, water, etc. They have cell wall as outer covering of their cell. So cell wall is present as outer covering of their cell. They store food in the form of starch. They reproduce both asexually as well as sexually. Silent feature of division: algae. They are autotrophs. Generally, they are aquatic animals. Some are unicellular and some are multicellular. They reproduce both asexually as well as sexually. Spirogyra, Fucus, Bulbog, Nostoc, Ulothrix, Chlamydomonas are examples of algae. Write down the silent feature of Bryophyta. Bryophyta has following silent features. They are multicellular and autotrophs. They grow in moist place. They have root-like structure called rhizome for absorption and fixation. They show alternation of generation in their life cycle. Alternation of generation means their life cycle consists of two generations, sporophyte and gametophyte, that occurs one after another by a process which is called alternation of generation. Moss, liverwort, trichia, mercantia, etc. Write down the silent feature of division Tracheophyta. Silent features are they are well-developed plants. They contain vascular tissue like xylem and phloem. They may be hops of or tray. They are divided into three divisions: Pteridophyta, Gymnosperm, and Angiosperms. Examples are given here: fern, lycopodium, pine, cycas, maize, mustard, etc. Now, silent features of subdivision Pteridophyta. Pteridophyta have following silent features. They are most developed plants of non-flowering groups. They have feather-like leaves. They have well-developed complex tissue, xylem and phloem, as a conducting tissue. They show alternation of generation in their life cycle, like bryophytes. Their body is differentiated into root, stem, and leaves. Examples are Lycopodium, Silaginella, Fiddle's head, fern, Equisetum, Teres, etc. Features of Gymnosperm: they are naked seeded plants. They are cone-bearing plants. Their leaves are needle-like. They grow in extreme climate. Example: Cycas, Pinus, Fir, Deodar, etc. General features of angiosperms: seeds are enclosed in fruits. Body is differentiated into root, stem, and leaves. They may be small hops, spiny shrubs, or tall trees. Fruits and seeds are produced. Example: maize, mustard, gram, bamboo, rose, rice, wheat, mango, etc. Silent feature of class Monocotyledon: there is only one cotyledon in their seed. Leaves shows parallel venation. They have fibrous root system. Parts of flower will be three or multiple of three. Example: wheat, onion, rice, sugarcane, etc. Silent feature of class Dicotyledon: they are they have two cotyledon in the seat. They have two cotyledon in the seat. The leaves show reticulate venations. They have taproot system. Parts of their flower will be 4, 5 or multiples or their multiples. Example pear, apple, mustard gram, etc. How does speciation occur? The Pisces amphibian reptiles, apes and mammals have come from same ancestor justified the statement. Speciation is the process of formation of new species by the gradual change in the characteristics of earlier form of species. Speciation occurs due to the addition of new characters in the organism because of variation. Variation means differences. The five classes of vertebrata, namely Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Apes, and Mammalia, have common features like presence of notochord, nerve cord, phalangeal gills, closed type of circulatory system, and so on. Furthermore, there are some animals like shark, crocodile, platypus, etc. that show the characteristics of both higher and lower classes. These all evidences confirm that the Pisces, amphibian, reptilia, apes, and mammals have come from the same ancestor or common ancestor. Classify the following animal with the characteristic features. So here sparrow, dove, hen means all birds are given here, all apes are given here. So all of them kingdom is animal, phylum chordata, subphylum vertebrata, and class apes. And the examples, the same examples here. Characters they are found. Characters they are oviparous. You can say they are oviparous. They are oviparous. Oviparous meaning is egg-laying animals. Similarly, lizard, crocodile, tortoise, these all lies in reptilia. So kingdom animal, phylum chordata, subphylum vertebrata, class reptilia. Character they have rough and dry skin. They creep and crawl on land. Frog, toad, salamander. So whatever question is asked, if asked frog or toad or salamander, answer is same. Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata, class Amphibia. And they live both land and water. Similarly, fish, seals, shark. Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata, class Pisces. They have streamlined body, main characteristics. Bat, whale, horse, they are mammals. Kingdom Animal, phylum Chordata, subphylum Vertebrata, class Mammalia, they are viviparous. Tulina, Hyena, Sponge, Cycon, Spongilla, they are poriferans. Kingdom Animalia, phylum Porifera. An example, these are example characteristics. They have numerous pore, ostia in their body. Similarly, Hydra, Obelia, coral, jellyfish, they all are coelentrates. So, kingdom animal, phylum coelentrates. Example, Hydra, they have coelenteron, means hollow cavity in their body. Liver fluke, tapeworm, planaria, blood fluke, they all lie in Platyhelminthes phylum. So, kingdom Animalia, phylum Platyhelminthes, they are flat body. Main features. Ascaris, Pinum, all lie in Nemathelminthes. Kingdom Animalia, phylum Nemathelminthes. Orthum, Leech, Nereis. Kingdom Animalia, phylum Annelida. Similarly, cockroach, prawn, these are all arthropods. Kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class. Let's not discuss about class. Only phylum Arthropoda. They have compound eyes, jointed leg features. Similarly, slug, uni, octopus, they lie in mollusca. So kingdom Animalia, phylum Mollusca. They have soft body. Main features: sea urchin, starfish, sea cucumber lies in the class, in the phylum Echinodermata. So kingdom Animalia, we can say Animalia, phylum Echinodermata. They are exclusively marine, means found in salty water. How does alternation of generation takes place to continue the life cycle of pteridophytes? The life cycle of pteridophytes consists of two generations, namely sporophyte and gametophyte. Sporophyte sporophyte and gametophyte, which occur one after another, and this process is called alternation of generation. Their life cycle can be divided into gametophytic generation and sporophytic generation. Now let us discuss sporophyte and gametophyte one by one. Sporophyte, the plant body of fern is sporophyte and is seen for a longer duration. It has sporophyll. Sporophyll is a leaf which has sorus. Sorus has sporangium. The sporangium produces spores. On maturity, spores fall into suitable land and germinate into prothallus. Prothallus is heart-shaped structures. So plant body itself is sporophyte. Now gametophyte is a heart-shaped green structures that has roots. That's prothallus. It contains male and female parts. The male part produces antherozoids and female part produces ovum. When the antherozoids and ovum fuse, it produces new plant body of fern. These two generations occur alternately in the life cycle of pteridophytes. In this way, alternation of generation takes place to continue the life cycle of pteridophytes. Write, write the class and phylum of Animalia, animal having following characteristics, and also write two other characteristics. Body is covered with scale, breathe through lungs. Body possesses backbone and does not possess external ear. The class of such animal is Reptilia and phylum is Chordata. Other characteristics: body is divided into head, neck, trunk and tail. Body is covered with dry and conified scales. These are true land vertebrates and so on. Give the name and phylum of animal with following characteristics and write two other characteristics: having webbed toes, having external fertilization. The name and phylum of animal having webbed toes and external fertilization is frog and phylum is Chordata. They respire through skin in water and on land with the help of lungs. They have moist and soft skin. Keep the name and phylum of animals with following characteristics and write their two other characteristics: having webbed toes of leg, having internal fertilization, have streamlined body. Name of animal: dog, phylum Chordata, class Apes. Other characters: they have hollow bone, body covered with hair or feathers. Identify the class of following animals. Toad, class Amphibia. Pigeon, class Apes. Lizard, class Reptilia. And Sears, class Pisces. Sears class is Pisces. Identify the class or phylum of the organism having following features. Body covered with feathers, have internal fertilization, but lay eggs. Class Apes. Breathing through lungs. Presence of mammary gland. Class Mammalia. Having jointed appendages, pair of antennae on their head and are diploblastic. Arthropoda. Phylum. Fixed aquatic. Diploblastic and Abostia. Phylum Porifera. They are fixed in their position. They are attached to substratum. Name the phylum of the animals having following features: having metamerically segmented body and hermaphrodite. Phylum Annelida. Moves with the help of tentacles found in marine water. Phylum Coelenterata. Having sucker flat and elongated body. Platyhelminthes phylum. Soft body with hard cover and having tentacles. Phylum Mollusca. Two plants are shown in the picture. Observe them and answer the following questions based on this. Compare their similarities and differences. Similarity between them are orange tree and cycas are both of them are vascular tissue like xylem and phloem. Both of them produce seed. They are flowering plants. Differences: orange tree have fruit, but cycas tree do not have fruits. Orange tree have true flowers, but cycas have cones only. They have broad leaves. They have pointed leaves. Mention their division. Also write the reason for placing them in this subdivision. Orange tree belong to subdivision angiosperm because they have true flowers, fruits and enclosed seeds. Cycas belongs to subdivision gymnosperm because they have cones and toothless naked seed. Which one of them is more advanced? Clarify with reason. Orange tree is more advanced than cycas because orange tree have true flowers and fruits, but the cycas does not. Rakesh saw animal while he was playing in the ground. How can it identify the phylum of that animal by using taxonomic knowledge of animal of kingdom Animalia? Explained. Rakesh can identify the phylum he saw in the ground by using taxonomic knowledge of animal kingdom. As it is seen on land, it must be terrestrial animal. So the possible phyla are Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Nematohelminthes, and Chordata. If it has a long cylindrical body with many rings, it is Annelida. If it is unsegmented cylindrical, it is Nematohelminthes. If they are invertebrate with jointed leg, they are Arthropoda. If it has vertebral column, it is Chordata. If it has soft body, mantle and eyes, it is Mollusca. Picture of two animals are shown below. Compare them and answer the following questions. One is bat, another is look like eagle. So in its phylum and do they belong? Organism bat, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia. Organism eagle, phylum Chordata, class Apes. This eagle, this bat. Write two similarities and dissimilarities between them. Similarities are both the bat and eagles are aerial animal. Both of them have four-chamber heart. Both of them have internal fertilization. They are warm-blooded animals. And differences between dissimilarity between them are one, eagle is oviparous whereas bat is viviparous. Eagle does not have mammary gland. Bat has mammary gland. How does study of these animals clarify the concept of evolution? The systematic arrangement of organisms on the basis of their similar and dissimilar features is called classification of organisms. whereas the development of new organism from the gradual change of previous form of organism is called evolution. We see here the common features of bird and bat. As their forelimbs are modified into wings, they are aerial. The study of these animals clarify that mammals evolved from modification of birds. Explain the relation between classification of living beings and evolution. The systematic arrangement of organisms on the basis of their similar and dissimilar features is called classification of organism, whereas development of new organism from the gradual change of previous form of organism is called evolution. All living things are identified and categorized on the basis of their body design in form and functions. So, the characteristics that came into existence earlier are likely to be more basic than the characteristics that come to existence later. The gap between different classes of organisms have been fulfilled by the presence of bridge animals that show the common features of both lower and higher organisms which support the evolution. This means that the classification of living being is closely related to evolution. Look at the picture below and answer the following questions. Pigeon, fish, frog, tiger, snake. Which animal has two-chamber heart? Fish has two-chamber heart. Fish has two-chamber heart. Which animal suckle milk to their young one? The tiger suckle milk to its young one. Write any two similarity between frog and snake. Frog and snake are oviparous. They are cold-blooded animal. That's the common features or similar features. Which animal? Which of these animals have air sac in their body? The fish and the pigeon have air sac in their bodies to make the body light. Draw chart to show classification of kingdom plant according to 5 kingdom system. So this is the summary of the plant classification of plant. Kingdom plant divided into 3 divisions: algae, bryophyta, tracheophyta. Under division tracheophyta there are 3 subdivisions: pteridophyta, gymnosperm and angiosperm. Under angiosperm there are 2 classes: monocotyledon and dicotyledon. Monocotyledon and dicotyledon. Dot chart to show classification of animalia according to 5 kingdom system. So here is the chart of animal kingdom. Animal kingdom divided into following phylum: phylum Porifera, phylum Coelenterata, phylum Platyhelminthes, phylum Nemathelminthes, phylum Annelida, phylum Arthropoda, phylum Mollusca, phylum Echinodermata, and another is phylum Chordata. This is the most developed phylum. Under phylum Chordata there are 4 subphylum: Hemichordata, Urochordata, Cephalochordata and Vertebrata. Under Vertebrata there are 5 classes: the class Pisces, Amphibia, Reptilia, Apes and Mammalia. So this is all about the long questions of classification of organisms. Thank you for watching. Please keep watching these videos. In the coming days I will come up with some other more important information about science lessons of class 10 for SE and supplementary students. Thank you for watching. Thank you.